You guys, welcome back to our video.
So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to like make prospects for cold calling. तो चलो भाई शुरू करते हैं. So सबसे पहली बात you have to go to like you have to open chat
कि अब हम कोल्ड कॉलिंग करनी है तो हम कौन से जगह पे करें, ठीक है. तो मेन कंट्री हम यूके में कॉल करते हैं और आपको भी यूके में कॉल करना चाहिए. अब पहले डाउट जो आता है लोगों को कि सब टाउन्स कैसे ढूंढे. तो देखो भाई, सबसे पहली बात, अगर तुम लिखोगे ना कि भाई तुम्हें जैसे कि HVAC चाहिए, HVAC मतलब हीटिंग, वेंटिलेशन, एयर कूलिंग, कुछ भी, ठीक है, तुम्हें इन कंपनीज़ के डाटा चाहिए, तो तुम क्या करोगे, सीधा यूके सर्च कर दोगे. इससे तुम्हें क्या होगा, बस 100-200 ही मिलेंगे. लेकिन यूके में कितने सारे सब टाउन्स भी होंगे. अगर तुम उनके बारे में सर्च करोगे ना, तुम्हें मतलब समझ रहे हो, 100 मिल रहे थे, तुम्हें 1000 मिलने लग जाएंगे. उन हज़ारों में कितने हज़ार, समझ रहे हो ना तुम, कितने ज़्यादा बंदे होंगे, कंपनी होंगी, तो कितने कोल्ड कॉल तुम कर सकते हो. देखो एक स्क्रिप्ट दे रहा हूँ, ये स्क्रिप्ट चैट जीपीटी पे जाके पेस्ट कर देना. सो दिस इज़ द स्क्रिप्ट गाइज. सो यू हैव टू पेस्ट इट ऑन द चैट जीपीटी. 100 cities with their sub towns which are in UK.
So you have to enter it and
यहाँ पे चैट जीपीटी अपना काम करने लग जाएगा.
boom.
बस उसे टाइम दो अपना.
When it is finished, it will be like that. You can see it will be like that.
दिखा देते हैं कैसे बन रहा है.
Yeah, no worry. मैं बुद्धू नहीं हो. So now what you have to do, you just have to say ChatGPT that
make a CSV
file of that.
अब जिन लोगों को नहीं पता CSV फाइल क्या होता है, बेसिकली एक एक्सेल या स्प्रेडशीट के फॉर्मेट में ये सब चीज़ आ जाएगी और वो चैट जीपीटी खुद करके देगा तुम्हें.
तो ये एक CSV फाइल बना के दे देगा, तुम्हें उसे बस डाउनलोड कर लेना है. ओके, so wait a minute guys, it's taking a little bit of time. So guys, it's in Hindi, but
कोई बात नहीं भाई, download
you just have to say make a CSV file of that. Then you have to download it. We downloaded here, so it's downloaded. Now what you have to do is you have to go.
It's Google
Sheets. So you can find Google Sheets here. You have to go to Google Sheets, and now what you have to do is you have to open a blank spreadsheet. So you have to import this on Google spreadsheet. So file,
import, और यहाँ पे वो फाइल बस ला दो, यहाँ
बस अपलोड कर दो.
And yep,
you have to import it.
And here you go.
Now you can see ChatGPT has made all of cities and subtown CSV just in a minute.
And it's 67 cities.
And now the main thing come here. What do you have to do now?
Alright, so now we will find HVAC companies or HVAC industries in these areas. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna select some subtowns and cities, and we're gonna find HVAC industries around those areas. So Adi,
so guys, what you have to do is you have to open a new tab, and then you just have to write HVAC near particular city name. Let's go for Leeds. You have to paste it here, then you have to
select a subtown name.
Like I'm selecting this subtown. So boom, you can see the businesses.
Okay, so if you manually put these company into a spreadsheet, it will take a lot of time. So we're gonna use an extension which would make a CSV file for these companies, so you can directly make a call to them.
Make your work very easy. So what it will do to you, now you just have to do the work. You don't have to worry about how I will do it. No, it's nothing. We are making very easy for you guys. So what you have to do is you have to download an extension which is Google Scraper extension. Download.
Not this one, second.
Not this one. Instant data
scraper. Yeah.
It will be like that Pokemon ball.
Yeah.
So you have to download it. Already downloaded it on my computer. So now what you have to do is you have to open it. You can see guys, company name, phone number, and their like site. It's all here guys.
Yeah.
So now what you have to do is you can see that there are only 20 out of many. So what you have to do is you have to start crawling. But here you have to off this and you have to locate next button. And now what you have to do is you have to go here, start crawling. Sometimes it glitches, so it will take a little bit of time to solve it. So yeah guys, what you have to do is you have to open it again and you have to change it. I'm gonna like put 2 here and 25 here. Now I think it should work. Here we go. Boom. Guys,
it's working.
It will work.
It will encrypt all the company names, their phone numbers, and the information about their websites, and make it a CSV file for it. You have to just sit and watch.
It's done. You can
You can
see how
see
much it like
those-
186 companies with their phone number, with their websites. Easy. Now you have to download the CSV file.
You have to import it.
File,
Right.
import, browse. So easy. Import data. Here you can see it's very easy. Even a 4-year child can do this.
Yeah, bro. You just want these 3 informations: the name of the company, the phone number, and the information about the websites. You can delete all these unnecessary informations right here. Now you can make calls and grow a business out there. That's it for the video, guys. I hope it
Helped you a lot.
Yeah.
And if you really think it helped you, so you can like the video and you can also subscribe our channel. It will help us a lot because it takes a lot of time and hard work to create videos and find things for you. So yeah, that's it for the video.
And feel free to comment any problem you want to share with us.
Yeah.
We can make a video on
Yeah,
that.
like comment any problem you have. Something is not working, or you have to like anything, anything. Thank you guys. I hope you will have a great day, great year. Bye bye.
Bye.
Stay hard.